everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to go through my Bath and Body Works collection. One, it helps to refresh my memory as to what I have. And two, I thought you might enjoy seeing it. And three, I think I'm going to pick some things to put in a future project. So let's get started. I've got all my bath and shower gels in front of me, and I have 23 bath and shower gels, some in various forms of being used, some the plastic's still on the cap. So and I'm not sure how to date these. I know there's a way to date them. I don't need to date them. I mean, I'll use them when I use them. They're bath and shower gels. I'm not really worried about it. So let's get started. First of all, this is what it needs cleaned up a little bit. This is what has been in my shower through Christmas. Didn't use it as much as I thought I would because I got those Christmas soaps, and it took me all Christmas to use that one bar of soap. So oh, I can smell this. It smells so good. I've got Frosted Coconut Snowball. Just want to smell it. This smells so good. This has Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla. Not South Pole Vanilla, North Pole Vanilla. Winter Freesia. Is there such a thing as Winter Freesia? Freesia's a flower? Oh no. And Snow-Kissed Woods. Not regular woods. The woods that's been snowed on. Yeah, I love these names of this stuff. Anyway, it smells really good. But I'm going to take it out of my shower now. I'm ready to just jump right into spring, even though it's nowhere near spring. We know that. But I'm done. I'm done with winter. I'm done. So I want something a little more fun in my shower. So here we go. This one's going to be moved back out. And I'm going to put these back into this container I have them in. But let me go ahead and see what other winter fragrances I might have. Or Christmassy. Let's see. I think this is it. I've got two others. I've got another Frosted Coconut Snowball. I got two of these. And this one says, this also has spun sugar. This one doesn't say spun sugar. I don't know which came first. I'm thinking this was the newer one. I don't know, but there we go. So I'm good with Frosted Coconut Snowball. And then I have Fresh Sparkling Snow. This is Iced Pear, Frozen Melon, Winter Apple, Snowdrop Blossom, and Frosted Musk. And let me smell. Yeah, it smells really nice. I smell pear in that. That smells really nice. Okay, so those are the winter ones I've got. I have some that could be different. I'm just going to just jump right in now, and these are in no particular order. We're just going to go through them, and yeah. So next, Coconut Pineapple. I have this one. Coconut Pineapple. This has the plastic on the top. No, it's been taken off. The plastic's still on the bottom. Yeah, the plastic's just on the bottom here. Maybe it's not being used. There we go. Notes. Shaved coconut. I've got a lot of coconut. Fresh pineapple and sugar cane. I love coconut smell. I love lime. I love pineapple. This one doesn't disappoint. I'm just going to set it right here for now. So that does not disappoint. This one has been used partially. This is Vacation Vibe. This one, the fragrance notes are whipped pistachio, sun-drenched jasmine, and praline amber. I think this is supposed to be a dupe or similar to Bum Bum Cream. Yeah, smells yummy. Smells yummy. I'm not sure if I want to put that back in my, if I want to put that in my shower. I took that one out of my shower to put the holiday one in. Took that one out of my shower to put the fall one in. I used a fall one and I used it up. It was in my empties. I don't think I have any other fall scents, so come fall next year I will need a new bath and shower gel, for sure. No, here it is. Let's go ahead and pull this fall one out and I'll put it with the Christmas. It's pumpkin swirl cake. This is what I was using. I think, did I buy this new this year? I bought this year. Last year. Excuse me. I bought this past fall. Pumpkin spice, caramel toffee, and creamy vanilla. Sorry you can hear my washing machine. My son is washing clothes. This smells so good. This smells yummy, yummy. But I'm going to put this with my Christmassy ones. Those are my winter, fall, winter scents. Okay, now keep going. Let's see. I'll grab this one. Fairy Tale. Fairy Tale. It looks like I used some of this. Pomegranate nectar, fresh orange blossom, vanilla bean, and warm amber. This smells yummy. Yeah. That smells good. So, I'm going to set it over here with the Vacation Vibe one because it has been opened. And then new ones that I haven't opened yet, I'm going to put in a different spot. I'm just talking to myself right now. Okay. Twinkling Lights. Here we go. This one, never been used. Frosted jasmine petals, whipped vanilla, and mandarin blossoms. This smells really good. Yep. I think, no, I'm going to take that hasn't been opened. Or if it has, it's been used maybe once, maybe. I'm going to put it in the unopened section. Next, I have Champagne Sprinkles. Champagne Sprinkles has sparkling champagne, raspberry icing, and rainbow sprinkles. This smells like cake icing. That's what this smells like to me. I don't smell champagne. I smell buttercream frosting. That's what that smells like to me. That has not been used. Let's stick it over here. Pink Pineapple Sunrise. This one has a sweet pink pineapple, palm sugar, sun-drenched nectar. Absolutely delicious. Love that. I'm going to put it with the coconut one. I have another Golden Mango Lagoon. This is sunny mango, saltwater woods, and coral blooms. Yummy. Put that one with the others. I have Honolulu Sun. This one still has the plastic on it. Fresh Island Coconut, Pacific Palm, Ocean Air Accord, Sun-drenched Citrus, and White Sand Musk. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off of all of these. I'm going to smell them, and then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, got the plastic off of it. Let's smell it. Yes. It smells very tropical. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to kind of do that. Gingham Gorgeous. I actually have two of these. One, I'm going to leave the plastic on it, but I'm going to open the other one so I can smell it. It's, do I have notes? Shoot, this one doesn't have any notes on it. I don't have any notes. Huh. Interesting. I don't know how old these are. Okay, let's see what this smells like. That's very nice. Very pleasant. I couldn't even tell you what the notes are. It does smell good. But there we go. Set that over there. I've got Black Cherry Merlot. No notes. Whenever this was, they didn't put notes. I don't know how old these are. To me, black cherry mallow smells like laundry detergent. Is that correct? It smells like laundry detergent to me. I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It's not a favorite, but it's okay. I got Fresh Jungle Rain here. Rain-Kissed Palms, Amazon Dragon Fruit, Misty Breeze. So let's get this one open. Okay, got that off. This has more of a green scent to it, but I like it. It smells very good. I like that. So there we go. Next, I have, does it have plastic on it? Nope. The Bahamas, passion fruit and banana flower. Passion fruit, pineapple leaves, and banana flower. That smells very nice. I like the scent of that. Put that there. Next, this one has been opened. I think just to smell. Take the rest of the plastic off. I've got Bridgerton, Diamond of the Season. Sparkling Peach, Spring Daffodil, Radiant Jasmine. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, that smells so good. Oh man, that smells good. I really like that one. Whoa, put it its own little spot. Next, I have Gingham Love. This has sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. Let's take the plastic off. Haha, finally. These take forever. That smells really good. I think that's my favorite of the gingham so far. Yeah, I like that. That one's nice. Next, I have fresh gingham. This one doesn't have notes. I'm shocked the red one has notes, but the others don't. That Gingham Love must have come out later. This one has a little bit of a green scent to it, you know, like a, you know what I'm talking about, grass, kind of fresh. Well, it's called fresh, isn't it? Yeah, it's called fresh. It has that scent to it. Next I have, and this looks like I might have used it maybe once. Golden Eclipse. This one is Glowing Berries, Shimmering Blossoms, and Sun-Warmed Woods. To me, this is more of a winter scent. This is a winter scent to me. I smell that woods. I'm going to put it with my winter fragrances because it is not summer scent. Next, I have Japanese Cherry Blossom. This is like my sister Teresa. This is her favorite. Japanese Cherry Blossom is her favorite since day one. Japanese Cherry Blossom, Asian Pear, Fresh Mimosa Petals, White Jasmine, and Blushing Sandalwood. It's really nice. That smells nice. And then the last one I have, does have plastics off of it? Just to smell though. I can see there's a little bit left. Okay. Hello Beautiful. Hello Beautiful. White Gardenia, Jasmine Petals, Magnolia Blossoms, Pink Nectarine, and Cotton Musk. To me, this also smells like a laundry scent. Just like that. These smell like laundry to me. That sounds odd. Okay, now I've got some things in my 25 and 25 that I need to actually absolutely get rid of. That have gone, have expired. Yeah. So when I go and do my update for that project, I'll explain it then, but I do want to find some replacements. So I thought shower gel would probably be a really good replacement for that project. So I think I am looking at what I've got here. I think I am going to pull out a couple of these to add to that project. So, and I will let you know what they are when I get to that. So I think I'm going to stop this here. I'm going to make this a series of videos. My next one will be going through my body creams, lotions, any other little body scrubs, maybe anything like that. I will put in my next video, and I also have my body sprays. So, but I think I'm just going to have this, just my bath and shower gels today, because looks like I've been filming a little while, so I don't want a long video. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.